high-frequency inverter DC spot welder converts the 50 extra input current into 8,000 extra output current through inverter technology. Its core component is the inverter circuit, which can convert the input AC power into high-frequency DC power. It saves 50% energy compared to AC spot welders. Has high capacitance density, small secondary current fluctuations, no influence from grid fluctuations, small grid pollution, and grid line reduces the size of the equipment. This machine can not only weld the galvanized sheet to destroy the galvanized layer, weld stainless steel without blackening, but also weld copper, aluminum, lead, and other materials. Contact us for more information.